What if the entire quest to unify physics has been asking the wrong question all along? Our story starts back in 1985, where a very specific mathematical hope began to take root. It all kicked off with a mathematical joke, an equation that hinted at something huge.
And that sparked a radical question, one that challenged the very foundations of physics.
You see, for decades, physics has been haunted by a deep crisis, the twin origins problem. Why do these two pillars of physics have completely separate origins that just refuse to connect? Now, the standard path was to quantize gravity. But what if the real answer was to harmonize them? Working in almost total isolation for over 25 years, Eric Weinstein forged an independent path. He ditched the extra toy dimensions of other theories, looking for a more natural harmony. This led to a new concept, the Observerse, a structure built to unite these disparate worlds. From this elegant foundation, our own familiar spacetime could finally be recovered. This approach tries to answer Einstein's deepest question about the universe's fundamental design. A universe born from geometry, this is geometric unity.